Hello learners at home, welcome to our next lesson in environmental activities, that is grade 1, observing the sky with Miss Gentrix. So in this lesson we are still going to talk about how to observe the sky but at night. Remember, in our previous lesson we were still observing the sky but during the day, and we were able to go out, observe the sky during the day, and I had a task for you here where you are expected to draw things that you saw during the day in the sky. In this lesson, we are now observing the sky at night. So before we move on to the task, we are going to look at the new words. What are we expected? What is expected of us? And the key inquiry question here is, what can you see in the sky at night? So at night, when you're talking about at night, so it is the opposite of during the day. So when we go to sleep, it is already dark. That's where we talk about the night. So the new words for the day or for the lessons are the sky. You remember the sky? We have the clouds. You remember the sky in our previous lesson. And now we have the moon and the stars. So before we get onto the task here, these are the new words that we need to know. So we have the sky. Remember the color of the sky? You remember? Yes, the sky is blue in color. And then we had the clouds. Maybe if I can just do that. The sky was blue and the clouds were white in color. And then now we are meeting the new word here is moon. Moon, a double O sound word, moon. And then we have the stars. Remember when we are singing our rhymes, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, such like songs. So we are meeting the word stars. So we have task for you here. We have a task for you here. So the task is all about, with the help of your parent, or you could be having a guardian back at home, they can help you go outside. Remember, it's at night, it's very dangerous. You can't walk outside alone. So in their company, you can go out and observe. Or rather, the task is, what can you see? What can you see? So the task ahead of us is, what can you see in the sky at night? So what are you expected of? You are expected to post your video, go outside in the company of your guardian or parent, observe the sky. Remember, with your pen and paper, write down what you're going to observe in the sky at night. I know you have enjoyed the observing the sky at night. I know it's a bit dark, but if you look up the sky, I know there are things you are able to observe. So were you able to write some of the things that you have observed in the sky at night? Sure, I know. So how is the appearance, or what is the appearance of the sky at night? So maybe I can share a picture of the appearance of the sky at night. You can look at the picture carefully. So what can you see here? We have the sky. This is the sky. And then down here, my clouds. We have the clouds. You remember the clouds? And then now we have the stars. The stars, the little stars that are twinkling in the sky. And then finally we have the moon. Moon. So this is the appearance of the sky during the night. Here we go. This is the appearance of the sky during the night. So I know we can now tell what appears in the sky during the day and during the night. So in this lesson, before we sum up the lesson, we are going to have maybe a question or two for you on the same. So with your pen and your book, kindly you're requested to write the questions down. There we go, the first question. What did you see in the sky? So we have that, that, and that. So the second question says, you're going now to draw. So we are going to draw what we saw in the sky. Kindly take your time, write down the questions nicely. There are only 2 questions for you, so you can attempt the questions during your free time, and make sure you get me the right answers, so that when we meet in the next lesson, we are able now to share more about what we observe in the sky during the day and during the night. And that calls for the end of our lesson today. Till next time, bye bye.